The new Instagram feature, adding multiple links to your Instagram profile. No third-party service needed, and it has finally arrived. Here is a quick how-to on adding multiple links to your Instagram profile. Let's go. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the profile image in the bottom right. Middle left on your screen, you will see Edit Profile. Tap that. Find Links. Tap that. Press Add External Link. Type in or find the link you want and copy and paste it in the top line that says URL. Some examples: your website, other social media channels, a mailing list sign up, a particular video, a product that you are supporting or selling. Once you've typed that out, tap Done in the top right. You will now see the link that you created appear below. If you don't know the link to type it out, you can also head over to the website, video, or platform and copy the link to then paste it into the URL section. Do the same again, and you can do this up to 5 times. If you want your links to appear in a different order, or you want to reorder them, then tap the 3 dots in the top right. Tap, hold, and drag to move the links around. Once you're happy, hit Done and the back button. The first link will appear on your bio, and if someone taps it, a pop-up menu with all your links will appear. They can then select the one they want and be taken to the destination you have chosen. To remove a link, tap one of your links and then tap the red writing that says Remove Link. A pop-up will appear to confirm it is what you want to do. Hit Remove. A notification will pop up and your link will be gone. If that helped, don't forget to tappity tap that like button and make sure you're subscribed. It's always appreciated. Until the next, have a good one. Peace.